Hi, my name is Jorge Adrián Perez Hernandez and I'm going to talk about my project that is called Jduino. This idea arose when I lost my Arduino Uno, so I decided instead of buying a new one to create my own board and adding some features on it. I selected this project because I think it is one of my most recent projects and it is related a lot with what I will do if I work in PowerBeam. So let's check it. This is the sequence of my work. First the schematic design, then the board design, 3D modeling, develop materials, and finally the assembly by myself. So let's check every part. This is the power supply part. In here we can see two voltage regulators. One is from 12 to 5 volts 3 amps output, and the other one is from 5 volts to 3.3 volts. This is the serial communication in order to connect via micro USB and to connect with another devices via serial protocol, and also to program the device. This is an I2C module for the use of the LCD in order to occupy less pins when we use this device. This is the microcontroller connection. It's almost the same configuration as the Arduino Uno, but the difference is that we have a duplicated of the female pins with male pins and also some extra female pins for specific devices. Some outputs are connected directly to the 80 mega, like the 5 LEDs and a relay output. We had an H bridge and some switches. You can control the output of the H bridge with these switches and also some inputs for the 80 mega. Also you can enable or disable this device with these switches. This is a two-dimensional view of the circuit. It was designed on Autodesk Eagle. You can see the dimensions on of the traces and of the PCB. We can see the top and the bottom layer. And in the bottom layer, almost all the traces are in a vertical position, and in the top layer and in horizontal position. This was in order to get an easier way to connect all the traces. I used the software Fusion 360 in order to see the final product in a 3D model of the PCB. Eagle has the option to export this final project as a Fusion project. So this is the bill of materials. In this project I used 43 different components and the total price for it was $13.5, same as 259 pesos without shipping cost. Here we can see how DC motor is controlled with the 80 mega via the H bridge, and also we can control the other motor with the dip switches. We can see one direction and another direction. We can see how the LCD is running in parallel with the DC motors, and also a Bluetooth module is connected to our device. We connect a mobile application. By a mobile application we can send some comments to our device or to our Jduino. We can see it in the serial terminal. We can see how a servo motor is controlled. Finally, LED matrix, we can see how you can control it via some specific female pins. Hi, but this is the end of my video. Thank you very much for your time. So just one last thing I want to mention, that is what I will change of my project. There are three things. The first is add a resetable fuse for the supply from the PC to the board. Secondly, changing the arrange of the connections because they are a little bit confusing. And finally, to create a user manual in order to create a final product to sell it to young students in universities. So thank you very much again for your time. Have a nice day.